Good morning, here we are again, 6 a.m, Monday 21st of October. So here we are guys, we are trading futures on M5 on gold, and we are trading with Top Step. So we're still on the 50k combined challenge, and you can see we're sitting at 52,100, and we have a profit target of 3,000. So we're about 66% of the way there. So we'll just run through the stats first. As you can see, yeah, we got a high of 52,120. Our best day has been $1,000. Worst day on average has been 150, and we have an average winning day of $530. So to pass this challenge and to get funded with Top Step, we need to hit 3k, and yeah, we're $900 away. So let's see what we can do this week and hopefully pass that potentially this week, end of next. Just a look at the equity curve. You can see we started on 50k. We've progressed quite nicely up to 52. Still maintaining that $2,000 maximum loss or cushion that we need. So we're just gonna move over to the chart now, and let's see what we've done last week. Okay, so first things first, I'm looking at a sell this morning. So we can see we've gone up to the Asian high here, and we've created a supply level. We've got a point of interest, or what we call a trend line here, and I'm looking for us to break that trend line and for us to open below it. If we do, yeah, we're going to change in direction, and I'm going to take that trade with a 30 tick profit. So my profit's going to be around this support, this demand level here, and we can just see if we look at the chart scanner, M1, M5 is down, but we're still showing a bullish trend on M15, M30, H1. So I'm just mindful of that. Before I take the trade, I'd like to see the M15 down as well. So we could be taking that trade within 2 minutes. So I'm just going to make sure Top Step set up. Yeah, which it is. And let's just quickly get back to the chart. So yeah, mindful the price is going to move, but let's quickly review Friday. So mark the charts up. So you can see if we took a sell here within our trading time, we would have won. Wouldn't have taken that trade. Well, if we had taken it, we would have lost. Would have taken a sell here, we broke even. And it was a great day then, Friday. I don't trade Fridays normally. I said on the Friday stream, I've had a little bit of bad luck trading on the Fridays, but you can see if we taken that buy, would have won, would have lost. Then we've had 3 winners in a row. Would have taken a sell here, which we would have lost, would have hit this support level. We had a buy, which we would have won. I wouldn't have taken this trade because it was sitting on this trend line here. So yeah, it would have been a profitable day Friday, but I don't like to trade Fridays normally. Right, just looking at the chart, we can see we've got some downwards momentum here. We're just testing this trend line here. I'd like to see a break of this trend line before I took that trade. So just quickly want to check M15, so showing an uptrend. Let's have a quick look at the chart. Yeah, and you can see, right? Yeah, so the price is pushing up, so you've got higher high, higher high, higher high, and a higher high here. So here we got the higher low. And again, I'd like to see a break of this trend line here, this Heikin-Ashi here. And potentially we could be taking a sell down to 27.36. So yeah, we're still bullish at the moment. I'll go back to the M5. Let's zoom in a bit for today's trade. Okay, so what we're looking at is we've got a break below the Heikin-Ashi, which is showing a reversal of the trend. But we got this trend line in here, and I'd like to see a break of that trend line. And I'd be taking a sell just below that trend line. Be looking for 30 ticks, but I am mindful that the VWAP here would act as support. So as always, we're going to have to wait for the price to come to us. Yes, we're going to have to be patient. I'm not looking to rush any trades this week. And we can just see here now, there we are. So So the scan has changed, it's actually showing an upwards trend. So we would stay out of this trade, so I'm not interested at the moment. Just gonna have to be patient. So I've actually put it on the ticker, the strategy we're using and what we're waiting for, and we're waiting for the price to come to us. So it's gonna be one of those days. As always, I'm gonna put myself on mute, enjoy my coffee, watch the price, and let it come to us before we take a trade. If you do have any questions, if there's anything you're unsure about, drop it in the chat or write it in the comments below. Yes, I'm getting interested in this trade. I'm not getting the sell flag, which I'd like to get, but we might get the break of the trend confirmation on the next candle. So just over a minute to go. We got the M1 and M5 scanner showing within a downward trend. I'm hoping for a pullback on this candle before we get the confirmation. So yeah, we can get out, take profit on that demand level. So it's looking favorable for a sell, and potentially I'm going to take this trade on the next candle. So let's wait and see. I'd like a little bit more confirmation before I do. So there's a bit of a pullback we got, which I'm looking for. Just under a minute to go, and I might be interested in this trade. Yes, we've got the confirmation that the trends are being broken, but I'm still unsure on this trade at the moment. I don't think I'm going to take it, not yet. I'm going to wait for additional confirmation. It does seem to tick all the boxes at the moment. but we can see sell flag hasn't come in. Let me see if that's there on the M1. Yeah, we've got it on the M1. There we are. Quite glad I didn't take that trade. So we're going to wait for additional confirmation. We're going to wait for that sell flag. And we can see this bit of support around this level here. So I'd be looking for additional confirmation of breaking below it before I take this trade. And actually I'm going to stick to the rules and be quite strict this week. I'm going to wait for that sell flag to come in before I take a trade. So I'm not going to rush it. We'll be 3 trades away from passing, so I think patience is going to be key for the next week or two. So again, just going to put myself on mute, and Mandela should be joining us in about 20 minutes, and we're going to run through the news for today. Okay, just give you a talk about patience, but yeah, I'm very close to jumping in this trade. It's looking very favourable that we are going to be bearish. So M1, M5 still showing down. M1 can change pretty quickly, but yeah, we seem to be holding that price below that trend line. You can see the blue trend line, or point of interest is called on the chart. And really, I'm just waiting for that sell flag, and I will take this trade. The only concern I will have is that we're going to miss a bit of the price, and we might be entering too late. So yeah, the next candle is going to be key to see where we go, but we do seem to be pushing down quite nicely at the moment. So you can see what I've marked up with the gun box. So we got the 0.5. That'll be our ideal entry price, but we're already about 25% into profit if I was to take that trade. So yeah, we could be a little bit late to the party, and if we are, I think we'll have to sit this trade out and wait for the next one. Yeah, there we are. It is needed 50% of a profit level, so I think we've missed this trade. So you could be getting the opportunity to enter this trade again, but I'm still mindful that the sell flag hasn't come in, and I like to use that as a confirmation of the trade. And still nothing, but yeah, you can see here now we got a confirmation break of the trend line. We're sitting at a nice entry point. We can just see the M1 is flashing, so it's undecided. It's So M1, M5 still showing down. Yeah, not enough confirmation for me to enter the trade. My instincts telling me to enter the trade, to go short for 30 ticks, but my head is telling me do not enter, you haven't got your sell flag, and you need to stick to your rules, right? So it's typical, right, that we won't enter this trade and it will go down to this take profit here, but we're going to be patient this week. So please bear with us if we don't take that many trades, but we're just looking at 3 good trades to pass this challenge. So yeah, we're going to have to wait. And I'd like additional confirmation. Okay, something like a flip-flop this morning. Gold is looking bearish to me, and I think we have got the opportunity to take a sell here, and I think I'm going to take it, but I'll take it on a minis contract. So let me just have a little watch, see if we get a pullback here. Yes, I'm interested in this trade. We seem to get a continuation down. Got no flag, but we can see a confirmation. It's broke that trend line. That VWAP is acting as some support. If we could open below that VWAP, we could get down to that demand level. Then I will be looking at a buy, hopefully within the next hour and a half. But I've taken a small sell on top step, so I've gone to micro gold. And yeah, we've taken 0.5 contract. So yeah, we got a 150 stop and 150 target. So yeah, low volume this morning, and potentially when we do get a flag in, then I will take one contract. But yeah, just looking at top step X, we've broken below the 9 moving average, which is the low, the close, and the high. And definitely got some, definitely looking bearish at the moment. So, and again, the scanner is still showing down on M1, M5. Just gonna look at the 15-minute charts. Yeah, and we can see here as well, looks like we're going to break below the Heikin-Ashi on the M15 as well. So this trade could be looking favorable. You can see this VWAP acting as resistance here. So yeah, I'm quite interested in a sell at the moment. Just going to quickly look at the Forex chart. And yeah, we broke through the Asian high. We just dipped down again, so we could be getting a retest before we get some bullish momentum for the rest of the day. So when Mandela comes on the line later, we can have a look at the Asian high and the Asian low, but we could be having a little retest before we get a high on the Forex later. But we can see here, we're going to push down the M15. So that could be a strong signal that we are going to get some bearish momentum within the next hour, I'd say. So I'm gonna flip. I'll come back to the M15 in about 8 minutes time. Let's see if we can get a break below this Heikin-Ashi and see if we can test this VWAP here. But let's get back to the M5. That's what we trade. Yeah, and you can see we are getting a nice push down, but just looking at the Forex, I'm just looking at the RSI, and it's sitting right at the bottom, so we could get a push up. Yeah, which we're seeing now. I'd like to see the price break the VWAP here and get down to this demand level. Well, it looks like somebody set their alarm clock nice and early this morning. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night.
Wherever you are in the world. I'm good. How's things, all right?
Everything's going really well. I'm loving the music. I'm loving the feeling this morning.
Yeah, we've got a bit of the disco vibe going on.
Yeah,
get us,
cool.
Get us going for the Monday morning. So just looking at gold. Yeah, we've had a break of the trend line on the M5. The scanner is showing down M1 and M5. I just zoomed out onto the M15. We've actually broke the Heikin-Ashi level there, so it's looking favorable for a little bit of bearish momentum. So I have taken a trade of 5 micro, so 0.5 contracts on gold. We'll flick over to that now. But I'm quite interested in the next candle on the M15. Let me just quickly zoom out and show you what I'm seeing. So what we're seeing here, we got the higher high here. We've broken the Heikin-Ashi. We've actually broken the trend line here. So this is on the M5. If we go into the M15, yeah, we can see here, so it's quite a key level. So this level's quite key. If we see a break there, we could be seeing some downward momentum. We can see now price is fighting back. But yeah, we're still definitely in an upward trend, right?
Yeah. That's very, very cool. Is there any way to zoom in a little, like just slightly? Zoom in. I have it on full screen. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so we can see, we got
that's nice.
Higher high,
yeah, that's
higher
nice.
high,
yeah.
higher high. But I'm quite interested in the price. Yeah,
that one?
Here, around here. Would like it to break below this Heikin-Ashi level here. So we got about just under 5 minutes on the M15. Now, if we could just be a retest, we've taken a retest of the VWAP here. We could be seeing an additional push high.
Yeah.
So
that's possible.
Yeah, quite interested. And you can see M1's undecided, but we're still down on the M5. So we use the M5 to trade. There we are. This is what I want to be seeing.
Yeah, that's a good call. That's a very good call there.
Yeah,
where did you enter again? You entered at the top of that.
0.5 as always. Yeah, always enter on 0.5.
Got it. Yeah.
Zero's a stop. Yeah, one's the target. So want to be seeing like this, and this. That's what I'd like.
Yeah,
that's what I'd like.
Yeah, like a retest. Yeah.
That's what I'd like to see play out, right?
Yeah.
Potentially, we could be seeing. We could see this.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oops. Yes, we could be seeing that as well. If it closes below the Heikinashi, I'm favourable. Definitely favourable for the short position. But if I was to trade forex, or if I was going to trade gold for a larger take profit and stop, I'd be looking at the Asian high, Asian low. Looks like we've had a false breakout, or we've had a test this morning, so we could be seeing a higher price for the majority of today. But 3 minutes ago, quite interested to see this candle closes back on the M5. Yeah, so we've broken this trend line here, so yeah, that should be a bit more visible for you to see.
Yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, that looks crystal clear. Yeah, that's gonna look nice on the big screen.
Yeah, so I use I need to change the monitors around, so I haven't got enough room on the desk. I've actually got a 43-inch TV.
Whoa, nice.
Yeah, but it's
that's
too
massive.
big, right?
That's massive.
Yeah, it's too big. It's great for looking at the candles, but I can't set up a camera. I'm struggling with the mic boom. It causes all sorts of logistical issues. But, yeah, it's
yeah, it's interesting. Interesting set. I mean, this is the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. Yeah,
the 5 minute. Yeah. And what are we looking at? 42.9. Let me get this right. That should be better. So just over a minute now, we'll quickly swap over to the M15.
Okay.
Yeah, we seem to be getting the push down. Yeah, on the scan now, we're still down M1, M5. Yeah, this is what I'm interested in. This will be a confirmation. So we just need to break below this level here. Yeah, which we seem to be doing quite comfortably at the moment. Just over a minute to go.
So far, so good. Absolutely.
Yeah. So how's things? How's the weekend? All good?
Yes, it was good. It was good. Had a few appointments that went well, thankfully. And what else did we do? Some family stuff. Did a couple family things.
Oh, brilliant.
It was good. Good weekend. What about yours?
Yeah, good. Just the usual weekend, right? So I done a little bit of work back testing, marking up the charts.
Very nice. Very nice.
Prize for later. And we can see, yeah, the M15's having a little bit of a struggle. We did see the sell flag come in on the M15. Hopefully we'll get that confirmation now in just over 10 seconds.
So did the sell flag flashed and then went away?
It did, yeah.
Okay. So you want to see the sell flag at the close, right?
Yeah, I want to see it on
the buy flag.
Yeah, so here we are. It's in now on the M15. So yeah, this is looking quite favourable. This is what I'm interested in. I'm interested in the M5. We're testing that VWAP. Yeah, I just want to push through that. And here we go. Happy days.
That's it. That's what you like to see. That's what you like to see there.
Let's get over to Top Step X. We took a trade. We took a small trade. You can see that, okay? Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. I like that.
I'm not seeing the VWAP, anchored VWAP. Okay. Let's get around the chart. Yeah, we're breaking through that VWAP nicely as well.
Yeah, that is nice on a M5. Nice.
So you can see we just testing that VWAP is acting as support at the moment.
Yeah. Your target's right there, just below the VWAP a bit.
Yeah, so yeah, we've got 30 ticks. But yeah. Yes, we're just testing that VWAP at the moment. Let's have a quick look on the other chart. Yeah, so it could be a bullish candle forming there on the M5. But, you know, we have tested it, so I wouldn't be surprised if we test it again. Just over 3 minutes. Let me just see on the M15 if that flag is still showing. Yeah, it's still there at the moment. I'm glad you like the music. I thought it was a bit funky for this morning. Get us going,
it's
right?
It's nice. It is, yeah. It's got that like funky feeling, kind of disco-y.
Yeah,
it's nice. It's nice, yeah.
Just watching Miami Vice, the original from '89. It's just fantastic. And yeah, I just really enjoy like Don Johnson and Philip Michael Thomas. I think Ricardo Tubbs, he's the man, my favorite character, without a doubt.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, so it's just so cool. They were the days, right?
That's what it is.
They were the days. Yeah, show my age now. So yeah, we're testing that VWAP. I would like to see a break, but let's get back over to trading view. I'd like to do my analysis on trading view. So yeah, this candle is looking quite bullish on the M15. We can see the M1 is up, and we might invalidate that sell now if our price continues to push up. So yeah, we could see a bullish move on the next M15. Let's just hope that sell flag can stay in on the M15. Let's get back over to the M5. Yeah, as you can see here now, we're testing that VWAP, right? It's acting as support, and then we're just breaking through it. So what I would like is for us to open below that VWAP level.
I'm just looking on the down the bottom there on the, I think it's called the candle consistency at the bottom right of your screen.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah. That one. Yeah, that one is flashing down as well. I just see the flashing down for the M1.
Yeah, so
which is good to see.
M1 can be a little bit spicy, right? Because you know the price is moving so fast. So I did take M1 out last week. Really looking. Yeah, so what I'm looking for really is the M5, M15. That's a great confirmation of a trade. But we're pushing through that VWAP quite nicely at the moment. So yeah, about 30 seconds, and yeah, we could get another push down to that demand or that support level. So you look in here, it's got a higher low here. So I've just taken the daily VWAP off that. Another VWAP, anchored VWAP to the high. Yeah, and we can see now that the price below all three.
Yep, I see that now. That's a good sell sign.
Yeah, I think we're looking quite favourable at the moment, right? Yeah, so that's nice and strong on the M15, right? Here we go. Yes, the price on a retest. So what I'm going to do is when we get to about, let me think, around 110, we get that stop into break even. If we get to 110, Yeah, so here's the pushback. See, it's retesting.
Yep. That's healthy. It could be healthy.
You know what? I think I'm going to chicken out. I might just get that stop into break even now. Profit's profit, right?
Yeah, profit is profit.
Gets us closer to that target, so let's just get that in there. There we are. Well done, Andrew. Good move.
Yeah.
So yeah, regardless of the profit, it's moving us closer to that 3K.
Yep, that's all that matters. Yep.
Yeah, haven't got that. Yeah, I don't know what they call it. It's like they call it a hanging man or whatever it's called. But if you're just looking at the M15, it's just broken again above the VWAP. So just tested that level. It hasn't broke below it on the M15. So I think it's a wise move to get that stop into break even.
Yeah, that break even is going to add to your already secured profits. So. Also removes a lot of the emotion out of it, I find.
Yeah, what I do find is when I get the stop into break even, we'll kiss that price, right, and then we go down to the take profit. Then I'm kicking myself. Why didn't you leave the stop in place?
Yeah. I think I've been there as well. I've been in that situation many times.
Yeah, so here we go. Just over 2 minutes. We're below that VWAP, so that's an anchored VWAP from the previous session. So that'll be from the tail end of New York on Friday.
Okay.
So what tea are you drinking this morning?
Oh, I forgot to bring the. So it's a fresh peppermint with nettle and ginkgo.
Okay.
So, one of those, yeah. I can actually probably send you some if you want to try a sample. Because I know we were talking about different sponsors and stuff. So
yeah, I'll give it a pass. Go on, more for you, right?
Yeah, more for me. What are you drinking? What are you having?
Double espresso.
The old faithful.
Yeah,
Nice.
double espresso, and I've got a pint of Ribena next to me. So
Okay,
yeah, I like to hydrate in the mornings.
I like Ribena as well.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool drink, right? I know if you're outside the UK, you might not know what Ribena is, but it's great.
Yeah, you add water to it, I'm guessing.
Yeah, so it's like a cordial, or we call it squash in the UK, right? Yeah. And just,
Yes.
So I'm just gonna have some Ribena now.
There you go. We need a sponsor. We gotta get a sponsor at some point, I think. But for now, we could say it's brought to you by Ribena and Waitrose peppermint tea.
Other soft drinks are available.
Soft drinks.
Yeah, we do need to get a sponsor for sure. We just need to get a sponsor letter out, right? See, someone's going to sponsor our show this time. So we get a nice push down. So it's trying to break below that VWAP. Just under 40 seconds to go. So this trade's looking quite favourable at the moment.
Yeah, I'm liking it. it, Andrew.
Quite happy to hit that take profit and probably be done for the day.
What's the take profit at? What?
150.
Yes. Okay. 150 to the good.
Yeah, and that'll take us up to like 52, 250, so we're 750 away. So I'll be happy to scalp this week and just take micro contracts to get to that 53k. Oh, yeah. So Top Step have invited us onto this show.
Woohoo!
Yeah, so I'm gonna try and book us in for. Let me have a quick look at the calendar while we're here. So I was thinking of getting us in for December. It'd be thinking. I don't know. How about Tuesday, the 17th of December?
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good to me.
Yeah, I think we'll go for that. I'll put that in.
Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, I think it'll be fun. It'll be fun to go on. I mean, I've watched quite a few of their shows, and they're very well done.
Yeah, I enjoy the shows, and yeah, it'd be great if we can get on there because my strategy is very simple, right? Now it's just a matter of rules.
Yeah, it is.
And I will be saying on the show, I've studied price action, I've studied technical analysis, I've studied ICT, you name it, I've done it. But this strategy is very, very simple, and it seems to work for me at least. So
and that's the thing. If it works for you, then just keep working it.
I got some candlestick sheets to my right, so I'm just quickly got my head over my shoulder trying to look at these. But yeah,
the one we just got before this one.
Yes, we got that. See that dojo before, and that could be that normally means a reversal, right?
Yeah, normally it would mean there's a lot of buyers trying, but they could also fail here. This is a 15. This is a 5.
Yeah, it's a 5. So it's not the strongest of signals. But I need to get the tilt tool from Top Step, where it actually shows you the buyers and sellers in positions.
Ah, is that a trading view tool?
I don't know if it's on Trading View. I know it's on Top Step X. I just need to work out how to add it to the chart. I'm sure they got buyers and sellers on Trading View. We'll have a quick look now once this trade plays out. You can share your screen. We'll jump on to Trading View, and maybe we'll just have a little poke around the indicator, see what they got.
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good to me. Yeah, you're up. You're definitely up. So right now it looks like a Andrew risk-free trade.
I like that.
Andrew risk-free trade. Yeah.
Would you like to do some news?
Sure. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do some news. Okay. I still gotta work on that transition. Getting better. So this week, let's do that. Let's go for the whole week. And please stop me anytime if you need to, if the price of gold drops significantly. So today, not a whole lot of headline news. We have the IMF meeting today, International Monetary Fund. That's going to probably be the main one for the calendar for today. That's global economic issues being addressed, as well as World Economic Outlook. It's going to be taking place in Washington, D.C. Also have some Fed speakers daily, Schmid and Kashkari. That's going to be later on today. So just keep an eye out on that. Tuesday, the big headline is Governor Bailey of the Bank of England is going to be giving a speech at 2:25. Fast forward to Wednesday, we have the interest rates out of Canada for anybody trading Canadian peers or Canada securities. That may be of interest to you. Home sales is kind of a medium spice event on Wednesday. Also, obviously, we have the IMF Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Looks like the IMF event finishes on. Looks like it finishes. It's on Thursday, and then it's also finishing on Thursday, Friday. Looks like it goes all the way to Saturday. Let's go back up to Wednesday. We have another speech here from Governor Bailey in the evening. Thursday is really when it gets spicy. We got a lot of red houses. French PMI. We got Eurozone flash PMI as well. UK PMI. Unemployment claims is a big one. 1:30 Thursday. We'll be covering this later on in the week. Flash PMI out of the US. So Thursday is more or less PMI day. Some people may think that's TMI, too much information, but we'll look at it closer to Thursday, and then Friday, finishing off the week with some big news out of Canada, retail sales. and then some consumer sentiment out of the US.
Yeah,
That's
so
it for the week.
Yeah, we just hit our profitable stop. So
Okay.
yeah, I just want to let you know. So yeah, we just took.
Okay. Let's take this off here.
Yeah, they just took 20 cents off me. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Let's
So a little slippage, probably.
yeah, a little bit of slippage there. So let's quickly have a look. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, so we hit the profitable stop. Yeah, and they took 10-20 off me in slippage. So it's a little bit cheeky. That's okay. We look for another opportunity to jump in.
Yep, that happens. That happens. It's. I think the analysis was sound. I think maybe. See, what time is it? Got another. Yeah. Are you on until 7 today?
Yeah, just about 7, 8 o'clock. So I'm just going to mark the chart up. So we took that sell and we broke even on that trade. And we're going to watch the price push down now. Would be typical, right?
Yeah. Anybody watching, you may want to go short. It's just one of those things.
So what I do is, let me quickly just show you. So yeah, I've marked all the trades in from the week.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
very nice.
Yeah, we can see. So Friday would have been a really good day, but I don't like trading on Friday.
Did you do a demo on Friday?
I did. I took a trade Friday. Took a trade on the 50k combined account, which we won.
Right.
But,
right. You did. Yeah.
Yeah, but if I did trade all day Friday, we would have passed the challenge. You know, it's Sod's Law. So for myself now, I'm not interested in the sell. The opportunity's gone. Potentially, I could be looking at buys while we test this Asian high here. So if you look at the forex chart, we broke through the Asian high this morning, and potentially this could be the pullback that we normally get to around the 50 level for us to run a fib from the high to low of the Asian session. And wouldn't be surprised if we see a breakout and another all-time high today on gold, but wouldn't surprise me at all.
Well, yeah, that's a very good point, Andrew.
Yeah, so I don't know if you want to maybe share your charts on TradingView. What you see for today
I
on
can
gold?
do that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do a quick share. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is not gold. This is gold here. So same sort of session, Asian session high, which we hit about 6 hours ago. This is a 15-minute chart. So looking at the previous high, this was a high hit on Friday. Right here. So maybe looking at that. This is obviously going to be the cash prices. Not the futures. So roughly, I think 20 points lower. Move that out the way. So anyway, what am I seeing here? I'm not trading this, but I guess key prices down here would be, see if I can do some work here. So previous all-time high from Fridays is right down here. So that's a possibility. On the top side, we have today's all-time high. That was hit just a little while ago. That's here. So interesting to see if maybe we do just get a little bit of chop today, Andrew.
Yeah, it's typical. Yeah. We got taken out at the break even and the price is pushing down. So yeah, potentially we would have gone into that take profit, which is a shame.
Yeah, it is. It's not something that you want to see. But I do believe that you did everything right. You did lock in that profit because there was always an opportunity or possibility that we shot back up to your stop loss as well. So hindsight is always going to be 20/20 every time, and it happens to me all the time. So yeah, let me get out of this. Can we move on to maybe have a quick look at a different chart for a moment? Let this marinate. So we were talking on what was it, Friday, talking about Bitcoin. So when we zoomed out, and for those of you who weren't able to see our Friday show, let's have a quick look back. We were looking at the area of contention. I think back then, Andrew, was here. So we had said that we had hit it here, this sort of descending triangle, and we were saying, well, let's see what happens when we get to this point. And if we zoom in into a little bit more granular, we're actually right there. This dotted line is that channel resistance. So we're there. We hit it on the weekend. Looks like we hit it Sunday last night. And it's just kind of hanging out there. I think we were looking for a move possibly lower here. So this could be a good entry for a short. I'm not going to take that trade, but it looks like the volume is picked up around this area. What do we think is going to happen? If I had to guess, let's see here. If I had to guess, let's see. We got a few options. I think probably most likely is that we get a bit of a pullback here, a little overdone. We moved up very quickly, and this has been resistance for the better part of the year.
Yeah, so for myself, I know a lot of I'm not really following crypto like I used to, so a lot of people are all doom and gloom, saying the price is going to nuke, it's going to go down. Before me, around that 78.6, I'd probably be interested in taking a long position there.
All right, okay. So 78.6 would be like right somewhere here.
Yeah, and my stop just below that pin bar, really, of that previous lower high.
This one?
No,
this one?
So the latest one. So keep going. No, not that one. No. Yeah, around there.
This way?
Around there, yeah, about there. Yeah.
Okay, let me go back a bit. So if we do, entry kind of on here.
Yes.
And then stop loss here.
Yeah, tight stop, yeah.
Tight, so very tight. Okay,
yeah, it'd be
like that.
Yeah, it'd be quite a low risk trade. It could be quite favorable as well.
Yeah, so that's your risk, I would say. And then your reward could be, anywhere up here.
Yeah, typical gold has gone down, hit that demand level, so. Damn.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's have a quick look at gold here. Yep. Yeah, like clockwork.
Yeah, so it's all right. Typical, absolutely typical. Never mind.
It was a great call. One thing I would say that I would definitely take from this is the analysis was spot on. It absolutely was. Let's go 5 minute. Yeah, so we got this green 5 minute, and then moving back down towards that demand level, as you said. That's unfortunately, yeah. I've had this happen too many times to count, too many times to number. It does not make it feel any better.
No, because just looking at the M15, it's a real nice sell position, and potentially on the M15 we could be getting down to 27 to 36 on the futures chart. So it's got a little bit of wiggle room. So you can see it's just pushing down. So yeah, we could see it pushing down to previous all-time high you got in your chart. Yeah,
that's about another 4 points or 3.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make myself a coffee.
Good idea.
Do you want to grab yourself a tea?
Yeah, I'm going to make myself a tea as well.
And we'll pop over to a non-commercial break. And we are back. Good morning.
Good morning. That was very refreshing. I like that. We should do those more often.
Yeah, for sure. And yeah, so I am kicking myself. So selling M5, yeah, it's just taking out that support level and the price. Just we got to break a structure as well. So that's all I can say.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn.
It's yeah.
Yeah.
It's not good. It's not good.
Yeah,
But
just,
I guess the good thing is that you did follow the rules. And as hard as it is to say, when you follow your rules, then it's a good trade.
yeah, agreed. So we didn't lose anything. So yeah, never mind. Anyway, on to the next one. So let's clear my head. Let's get that out of the brain. So yeah, next trade I would be looking at a buy, but yeah, never mind. So I can see you're looking at the US 500. That's the S&P, right?
Yes, this is the S&P. I was just going to have a quick look at this just to clear the mind a little bit. And it's not much to report as of yet. We're inside the Asian range, so Asian range high, and we're sitting at the Asian range low. So I guess we'll just have to let this one play out. Still early. Usually, most times, I haven't actually set up the chart fully yet. Previous close would be up here, where we closed on Friday. Then we got this little mini gap up, and we've closed that gap up this morning. And then what I would look for is a breakout of, oops, wrong button. Breakout of the Asian session. Whatever side of the Asian session range we get a breakout from. So if we are sitting towards the bottom of the Asian session, which is here, this would be the pre-market low and the Asian session low. I would be looking for a breakout of that level, which looks like we may be getting that now, Andrew.
Yeah, I think so. What do you want on M15 yet? So
I want M15 now. Yeah, previous close was 64.7. So let's do 64.7 was the close. All right. So yeah, we're below the previous close. We're hitting this Asian session low or pre-market low. So yeah, just keeping an eye on this one. I know the main focus, obviously, of the show is gold, but sometimes it's nice to kind of shift gears a little and
yeah. So a lot of futures traders they do trade the S&P and the Nasdaq as well. So for myself, I just stick to gold. I am going to look at copper. So I think 9:30 I'll be on Top Step TV in the comment section, and I think Diana will be trading copper. So I'll be interested in following that price. I did copy one of the trades Thursday, which hit to take profit.
Oh, nice.
So yeah,
nice.
I'm just gonna maybe just share the chart. See if I got copper on my chart.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh. Oh, just bear with me while I find this.
Yeah, not a problem. Yeah, I know you were talking about incorporating average true range ATRs.
Yeah,
that's how she does it.
I haven't done that yet. So you can see copper. It really respects this moving average of 5 and the VWAP. Yes, you can see. You can see it's just broken above here. Actually, here. It's had a real nice move up, right? So we've broken below, and it seems to retest down to the VWAP. So I might be interested in taking a trade if we get a break below here. I'm really don't understand the price on copper yet. I'm not following the moves. With gold, I got an idea what it's going to do, to get my contracts in place for my stop loss and take profit. Yeah, I'm not familiar with copper yet, so I'm just going to look and learn with Top Step later on. But just looking at gold, we seem to be sitting around this support level here, so I might be looking at a potential buy later on. But yeah, join us at 9:30. We'll be in the comments on Top Step, and we're just gonna be watching those guys and learning from the professionals. But just looking at the scanner for gold, it's a little bit of a mix mash, right? You know, M5 showing down, M15's up, M30's up, and we can see now we get a nice reversal here on gold. So I could be looking for a buy around the 27.45 mark on the futures. With copper, this would have been a great trade here. Would have taken the trade around 44.415. I would have taken the take profit at the VWAP level here. Let me see if I can zoom out in a bit for people to see. So yeah, I would have taken this trade here. I would take profit, and I would put my stop just above this high. But I'm unsure on copper at the moment, so I'll only trade copper on the demo account.
Yeah. Oh, that's sensible.
And yeah, I'm just looking to get some buys on the pullback. Just have a quick look at the M15. Yes, we got a long way to go before we can get back into the bullish market, but you can still see this higher low here. As long as this price is respected here, you know, we could be seeing I wouldn't be surprised if we see that today.
Yeah. Oh, that would be nice. That would be nice.
So I'll be looking to get in around here on the pullback and on the upward move. But we'll see what happens now. Probably will take a buy, but it'll be off the stream. It'll probably be later on today. So probably going to finish the stream in about 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, we took a sell. If we held, you know, if it wasn't such a chicken shit, we would have hit our take profit, right? But it is what it is.
Don't be too harsh on yourself.
No, I'll kick until I get another win. I'll kick myself over that. Yeah, just yeah. We had the M15 sell was in, the M5 sell was in, and really we should have held for the take profit. But yeah, we'll see. We see what happens on the next trade. So, are you joining us at 9:30? Have we got time this morning?
Yeah, I should be able to join on Top Step TV. Shout out again to Top Step. Yeah, I'll probably be in the chat, maybe in and out of the chat, but I do like their shows and I do always learn something.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm gonna, if it's okay with you, I'm gonna end the stream. And
yep, absolutely.
We'll catch up later on, yeah?
Yep, that sounds good, bro.
Excellent. Thanks, Mandela. I'll see you soon.
Thanks, Andrew. Bye.